Today's featured car of the day is a 1969 Rambler American 440 sedan. This beauty I recorded at my local classic car auction in San Diego, California, and it was a good looking car. The 1969 was the last year that Rambler made the American. They were already referred to as American Motors by this time, and this was the last year for them. They also had the Scrambler, the Hearst SC Scrambler model that they had this year, the red, white, and blue ones, which you probably have seen because quite a few of those survived, but not many of these survived because they were just a basic four-door sedan. Was normally the least expensive American car made, and this one being no different. And this being the last year for it, this was a good one to send out with. This particular car was a good example, had some options on it, including the optional 232 six-cylinder engine, the larger one, and also had a automatic transmission and even a tissue dispenser under dash on the passenger side, which you don't see too much in this particular model, but this one was a beauty, like I said. And we also had the two-tone paint, had the beige body with the white hardtop, white painted hardtop, which was a nice touch, made the car look really nice. As far as production numbers go, they only made 11,957 of the four-door sedan 440s for this year, 1969. And they were 181 inches long and rode on a 106-inch wheelbase. Curb weight was 2,667 pounds. So, like I said, they were small cars, but they were good lookers. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.